check out the rainbow right behind me. Can you see that? We're in the Caribbean right now, in Mexico. Check out that rainbow all the way over this way. Absolutely drop dead gorgeous. We're hanging out at the rooftop pool here. We're having a little food and a little drink, and we're hanging out. We're having fun. We just worked all day. I just worked on the computer for about 5 hours today. We're gonna have a beautiful sunset right over here in about 45 minutes to an hour, and the beach is right over there. So yeah, so everybody that's been watching all my videos, and you've been following me on social media, wow, look at that rainbow. That is amazing. Look at that. You're asking me all kinds of questions about what do I do? How do I make money? How do we make this money online? How do I travel the world? I left the United States of America on March 8th, 2017. I've been traveling the world. I'm in the country of Mexico right now, about 7 blocks from the beach, in this absolutely drop-dead gorgeous Caribbean area of the world. And just so you know, all of the people that make the big money online, you can do it. We do it from anywhere in the world. All you need is a fast Wi-Fi, smartphone, and a laptop. Sometimes you don't even need your computer. Nowadays, our phones are our computer. So literally what I started doing about 2.5, 3 years, almost 3 years ago now, is I took a course. I went to a live event. I flew all the way to the country of Singapore. I met an online multimillionaire entrepreneur. He was 28 years old at the time, 28. He was making over $100,000 a month, consistently making over $100,000 a month. He showed me proof, and I said, "You're hired." I paid him a bunch of money. So one of my first pieces of advice for people is, if you want to start making money on the internet really fast, buy your way to the top. Buy your way. Invest money into a system. That's what I did. I spent weeks and weeks, actually months, working with this guy. He's out of London, England, and he showed me how to do all this stuff. Post ads, social media, paid traffic, all that stuff, right? Emails, autoresponders, sales funnels. So now we sell products all over the internet. I also consult people. I have a consulting business, social media agency. So if you want to create multiple streams of income online, stop trying to figure it out. That's my second piece of advice. Stop watching hundreds of hours of videos. Stop trying to figure it out. Just hire somebody, hire an expert, pay them, pay an expert like me. People hire me from all over the world, and I put them in business within 3 to 5 days. They're making money. 3 to 5 days. If you think it's going to happen any quicker than that, you're dreaming, right? This stuff is hard. To set up all the accounts and systems online to make the money consistently, it's not easy. It's hard. It's not for everyone, but it can be for anyone. You have to invest money. So the smartest, most intelligent thing you could ever do is, number one, invest money into yourself. Number two, invest money into an expert, somebody who's already making $1 million or more a year online, obviously knows what they're doing. You just copy their system, and that's actually number three, copy a successful system. That's all you need. That's what you need. And if you guys want a successful system, I have one. Wow, look at that. That is amazing. Look at that rainbow right there. Wow. Right on the Caribbean Ocean, right there, Caribbean Sea. So if you guys are interested, all you have to do is send me a private message. Just say, yeah, I'm interested. Yes. How do we do this? And I'm not going to send you a book. I'm not going to send you anything to download. That's all bullshit, guys, okay? People say, oh, read my book or watch my 10 YouTube videos and you'll get rich and make a lot of money on the internet. It's not going to happen that way. It doesn't happen that way. The only way you can make a lot of money is to copy an expert. Copy their system, turn it on, and you start making money. That's the easiest way to do it. That's the simplest way to do it, and that's the quickest way to do it. So within 5 days, when a client hires me and my team, within 5 days they're making money, and then I guarantee $10,000 in 10 days. If you don't get $10,000 in sales in 10 days, and you're not making money in 10 days, you don't owe me anything. It's all there's no charge. Okay. So if you're interested, you want to start making money really fast. Click the link in this description over here if you're on a mobile phone or desktop over here, and just subscribe to my channel. Keep watching my videos, and one day you'll smarten up and you'll say, wow, James, you're absolutely correct. I'm going to hire you. I want to start making money within 5 days. I'll see you soon, or send me a private message. Just say yes, I'm interested. I'll be in touch. We'll get on a live call. I promise I'll help you. Check out the rainbow. Oh, it's starting to rain now a little bit. No, baby, it's okay. Stay. It's not gonna last.